So this is Orangeburg pipe. This is a pipe that's made out of paper, and it was used for 2 decades in the 50s and 60s in a lot of homes. It has about a 50 to 60 year lifespan, which means now in 2008 a lot of it's going bad. The problem is that it's vulnerable to roots, and also it because it's made out of such a endurable material, it compresses. So if you try to go in to clean out the roots with something like a roto-rooter, the shape of the pipe actually becomes oval, and you can't get in there with any type of a clean out. You literally have to dig up your yard and replace the pipe with something more durable, which is what we've been doing here. And you can see that it's created quite a big mess out here. It's a pretty expensive undertaking. There might be some damage to the main, possibly caused by this root erosion over time. There's some other of the couple layers of the Orangeburg that basically was peeled off of this this connection here. So this is actually the city line right here. The city property starts right on the other side of this fence line. So this is all my property kind of hollowed out right up to the city line, city edge of the city property. And then this is the connection to the city main, again with the Orangeburg. You can see all these holes. It's hard to prevent that from happening when you're digging with a pick. And as soon as you hit this thing, it busts wide open. And then we actually tunneled. I had some nice flagstone steps. We actually tunneled underneath so we didn't have to break up those steps. And we tunneled all the way to the joint where the Orangeburg meets the cast iron that comes out of the house. This is where let's see if I can get some light on that. There's the joint. So we were actually able to expose the whole thing. As we've had to kind of go through this for the last couple weeks, not knowing that this was what was going on, we've been unable to use any of our facilities. We can't do the dishes, we can't do our laundry, we can't use the bathroom. Some of the sewage had backed up in the bathroom, and right now we had a restoration company come in and tear out the floor and tear out the vanity. We've got these dryers in here right now. You know, it's tough living in a home without plumbing, and we've cleaned out the tub and cleaned out the toilet a bunch of times when we thought we were dealing with a minor problem, and ultimately came to realize that this was going to be something that wasn't going to go away without a major fix. So we literally have to live with raw sewage coming out of all of our plumbing. I can assure you that it's a pretty horrible experience.